Horses out, breaking alertly, yes, Capo, moving up, shot on the outside, Forevermore, then followed by Inspiring, Sol Invictus, Satoy Poras, Don Sentry, Cool Dancer, Golden Fantasy, Cool and Sasia, Flash Away, second last, and Matikas trails the field. Into the turn they gallop, we have Forevermore, takes the lead, down on the inside, Escapo is on the outside, second, down on the inside comes Satoy Poras. Sol Invictus is racing in fourth. Cool Dancer is down on the inside. Pipa Inspiring, Shut Up, Don Sentry, then followed by Golden Fantasy, Batangas Force, Flash Away, Kulen Sasi, and Matigas. They swing into the back. Escapo has taken the lead by Oralenka. Forevermore moving up. Sol Invictus on the outside. Cool Dancer, Shut Up, down on the inside. Don Sentry, then followed by Inspiring, Flash Away, also moving up, Golden Fantasy, Matigas, Batangas Force, and Kulensa, si Escapo by Auralenka. Cool Dancer in second, moving up now. Sol Invictus in third, then followed by Shut Up, Atoy Poras as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Escapo by Auralenka. Cool Dancer remains in second, moving up on the outside. Shut Up, then comes Sol Invictus, entering the finish line. It's Escapo second, Cool Dancer, Sol Invictus, Shut Up, Atoy Poras, then comes Splash Away for your Super 6.
Klaro naman eh.